Hello students, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. For your upcoming CTET December 2023 examination, Global Online application has come up with a complete course where we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of the CTET examination. In today's lecture, from the Mathematics Paper 1 and Paper 2, I have taken an important topic named as LCM and HCF. So we'll be discussing in detail the questions of the LCM and HCF. Okay, so concepts along with the MCQs is the main thing that we are going to do in this particular complete whole series of mathematics. Okay, that is for the paper 1 as well as for the paper 2. At the same time, students, if you are targeting for the CTET December 2023 preparation for the paper 1 and paper 2, Global Online application has come up with a complete course where will be provided with the following features. Okay, so full syllabus video lectures will be provided to you. Students, with this video lectures you can cover all your doubts, as well as educators will share you lots of tips and tricks so that you can solve your question paper with great accuracy. At the same time, you can score maximum marks. Full syllabus notes will be provided to you in the form of PDF, which can be easily downloaded through your mobile phone as well. 50 plus mock test will be provided. This mock test is going to be the key feature of this particular course, because through this mock test you can test your preparation. At the same time, students, the questions asked in the mock test can be directly replicated in the examination as well. Hence, this is very much important. Full syllabus MCQ PDF will be provided to you. Again, this is easily downloaded through your mobile phone as well. This MCQ PDF is going to be crucial for your preparation in this minimum span of time. Okay, so this is also going to be an important feature. The fees for all above feature is rupees 3000 rupees. Okay, this is for the paper 1 and for the paper 2. If you are targeting for both the papers, then this is the compiled fees for both the papers. Okay, so if you are targeting for the individual paper 1 or for the paper 2, the fees for the respective papers are 2000 rupees individual for individual paper. Okay, and if you want the compiled paper 1 and paper 2 course, you can get it in the course fees of just 3000 rupees. You just have to simply contact us on this given WhatsApp number for the enrollment of the course. Before that, you can access few free videos as well from the Global Online application, which we have to download from the Play Store with such a logo. Okay, once you will download this application, open the application, you will find such type of where downwards, if you look here, there is an icon named as store icon. You have to click on it. Later on, you'll move to the page called as my courses. Here you have to search the course in the search tab. Okay, once you'll search the course along with the fees will be displayed downwards, and hence you can get enrolled to the course. Okay, so without any further ado, let's begin with today's lecture, that is LCM and HCF. Okay, so what is LCM? Basically, LCM is nothing but the least common multiple. Now, what is multiple and what is factor, we have already discussed in our previous lecture number 7 of LCM and HCF. This is lecture number 8 of it. Okay, so LCM, it means least common multiple. Okay, so for example, in examination, the question can be directly asked to you on the basis, like they can tell you that find the LCM of a given numbers, or sometimes they can give you a kind of problem, okay, a word problem, in which you have to use the concept of LCM and HCF. Okay, so for example, what is exactly LCM? I'll explain it to you with an example. To find the LCM, if they ask us, for example, of 12 and 18, if we have to find the LCM of 12 and 18, okay, simply what we do here is 12, 18. Okay, just see here, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. Okay, if I take 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, right? 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, because 3 is not divisible by 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. All right, so now here, till here we got that from here the LCM will be equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. It means I can write this as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This will give me 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. So 36 is the LCM. So what is the meaning of LCM? LCM, it means in the table of 12 and 18, 36 is the smallest common multiple. 36 is the smallest common multiple, or we can say 36 is a number which is coming in the table of 12 as well as 18, and it is the least common multiple. Now you must be saying that, ma'am, there are again different numbers that comes in the table of 12 as well as 18. Yes, but 36 is the least common multiple. This is the least number, or we can say least multiple that comes in this table, right? Multiple. Okay, so this is the exact meaning of LCM. Okay, so we are basically finding a number, we are basically finding or extracting a number which comes in the table of the given numbers of whose required LCM has to find, right? So here we were finding the LCM of 12 and 8, 12 and 18, right? So in case of 12 and 18, 36 is the multiple, 36 is the multiple of 12 and 18, and which is the least multiple. Okay, so hence it is called as least common multiple. That is nothing but LCM. I hope you have got or understood what is exactly the LCM. Okay, so if I tell you now what is HCF, HCF meaning is highest common factor, highest common factor. This is what highest common factor. Again here, what is factor? In yesterday's class we have discussed it in detail. Okay, so to explain what is exactly the HCF, again I'll take the example of the same which we have taken in the previous question, that is 12 and 18. If I ask you to find the HCF of 12 and 18, even if you try to understand by words itself, highest common factor, it means basically we are going to find factors of 12 and 18. We are going to find the factors of 12 as well as 18, and a number which is common between 12's factor and common between the 18's factor. The factors of 18, for example, these are the factors of 18. We don't know what are the factors. Okay. Similarly, these are the factors of, for example, 12. Okay. So here we can clearly see that this is the common factor, this is the common factor. Okay, this is the common factor, E, in both the case this is the common factor, but it should be at the same time, it should be the highest one or the greater one, it should be the greater one. Okay, so let us solve this question now properly so that you'll understand this concept in depth. Okay, now here, if I have to find the HCF of 12 and 18, how will I find? Look here now. Simply I'll write here 12 and 18. Okay. So I'll just look now at the numbers and just try to see that both the numbers should come in the same table. And when they will stop coming in the same common table, I'll stop the process over there itself. Like 12 and 18 comes in the table of 2, 2 6 are 12, and 18 also comes in the table of 2, that is 2 9s are 18. Now 3 and 6 should come in common table, that is 6 comes in the table of 2, but 9 does not comes in the table of 2. I'll take 3 comes in the table of in 3's table, 6 also comes and 9 also, right? So here 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now 2 and 3 are a number which do not come in a common table, right? So I'll stop the process over here only, right? So what are the factors of 12? Now we know what are the factors of 12. Okay, we will do the process later on, what are the factors of 12 and 18, but before that, now here we have stopped the process. Now what next we have to do over here to find the HCF? What we will do is simply focus on these numbers, common numbers. It means the numbers in which these both numbers are going to come basically. Okay, the numbers in the table of which both the numbers are coming, right? So here 2 and 3, 2 into 3, this will give me 6. So 6 is the HCF. 6 is the HCF. Now you got this simply by I have given you an example, I have explained, you got it what is the meaning of HCF. But let us understand again in depth regarding the HCF. Now look here, if I tell you that same example 12 and 18, what are the factors of 12? The factors of 12 are, we know, 1 3, 4, 6, 12. Yes, these are the factors of 12. Yes, factors of 18, if I start writing over here, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. The students who are watching me for the first time, factors, it means simply that the number should come in the table. Okay, like in table of 1, 12 can come, in the table of 2, 12 comes, in the table of 3 also 12 can come, 4 in the table of 4 also 12 comes, in table of 6 also 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. Okay, this is the meaning of factors. To understand it in depth, you can please see my previous classes as well. ठीक है, so अभी देखना यहाँ पे, you have to look here. If you look at these factors, if you start looking at these factors, okay, what are the common factors? Common factors are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, okay, 6, 6. These are the common factors. These are the common factors. Yes, these are the common factors. And among this common factor, the highest number is which one? Or the larger number is which one? 6. Larger number is which one? 6. Hence 6 is going to be the HCF. This is going to be the HCF. This should be the common factor, but the highest common factor. Yes, so by this process you can find it out, but not, this is not an recommended process. Okay, because whenever they give us larger number, that won't, this method won't suit you, right? So simply I have given you explanation of what is exactly the highest common factor and how to find the highest common factor. I have given you the example as well. Okay, how to find it in exam. Okay, so if I give you few questions now which have been previously asked in the examination, let us see the questions asked on the LCM as well as the HCF. Okay, so the question number 1 that I am showing over to you over here is of the LCM. Okay, so this is the previous year question asked in your examination. The difference of the small common multiple of 4, 5, 6 and small common multiple of 5, 6, 9. Now do not get like tense that what is small common multiple, smallest common multiple. Smallest common multiple, small common multiple is one and the same. That is nothing but the least common multiple called LCM. We call it as LCM. Okay, so what they have asked us to find the difference. They have asked us to find the difference. Okay, always remember, whenever this term comes in the mathematics, difference, it means we are going to carry out the subtraction operation over there. Okay, so I have even discussed this concept in your first lecture. Okay, when I was discussing the various operations in the mathematics. Okay, so now here you have to find the LCM of 4, 5, 6 individually. Okay, and then find the 5, 6, 9 common multiple, and then simply you have to take the difference. Let us find the LCM of 4, 5 and 6 first. Okay, to find the LCM of 4, 5 and 6, look here now how I'll find it. The same thing that we have done in the previous slides. 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is, 2 3s are 6. So in case of LCM, you can simply just divide the numbers. Okay, it is not necessary that all the numbers should come in the same table, but in case of HCF it is the necessary. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is 3. Okay, 5 1s are 3 1s are. Okay, if I find this LCM of this particular number, this will give me 2 into 2 into 5 into 3, that is equal to 60. So the LCM of 4, 5, 6, I got it equal to 60. Okay, now let's find the LCM of 5, 6 and 9. 5, 6 and 9. Okay, if I take I have divided by 2 over here, it will give me 2 3s are and 9s are. Later on by 3, 5 1s are and 3 3s are 9. Again by 3, 5 1 1 as it is, 5 1s are and 1s are. So the LCM will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. This will give me 90. Yes. So I got the LCM of the numbers over here of 4, 5, 6 is 60, and the LCM of 5, 6 and 9 is 90. I have to take the difference. So whenever we take the difference, always subtract the greater number from the smaller number from the greater number, that is 90 minus 60. If I do, I'll get the difference is equal to 30, and 30 was the correct answer for the given question. This is how you have to understand that this kind of questions can be asked in your examination just based upon your simple concepts of LCM and HCF. Okay, so moving on to the next question over here, you have to find, this is the question again asked in your previous year question papers. You have to find the sum of the multiples of 7 between 21 and 40 divided by the biggest common factors of 25 and 30. Try to understand the question. Okay, they have asked us to take the summation of what, the multiples of 7 from or in between the 21 and 40. Now what are the multiples of 7? If I start talking about this, simply you have to know that basically we're talking about the numbers that are going to come in the table of 7. Okay, so what is the table of 7? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 sevens are 49. Till here it is enough. Why? Because they are talking about 21 and 40. Okay, between 21 and 14, between 21 and 14, this word is going to be very much important for your accuracy, because whenever they are saying from 21 to 40, from 21 to 40, between 21 and 40, there is going to be the huge difference. Okay, the students who understand the difference between these two sentences will crack the question. What does the first statement talks about? The first statement says that from 21 to 40, it means we are actually including 21 as well as 40. Basically this is the wrong statement. If I say instead of saying 21 to 40, if I say 21 to 49, it means I am including all the numbers from 21 till 49, including the 21 as well as 49. This is the difference. Okay, but whenever I am saying between 21 and 40, the statements, it says that we are actually taking all the numbers between 21 and 40. Okay, but not 21 nor 40. We are not taking both of these numbers. Okay, so what does it says? That if we are taking the numbers from 21 and 40, it means we are excluding both of these numbers. Okay, so please students make a note of this, that there is a correction over here. This is not 40, this is 50, that is 21 to 50. Okay, just a minute please. This is 21 to 50, this one. This is not the 40, this is 50. Okay, right. So till 21, from 21 to 50 and between 21 and 50, I hope you have got these both statements now. So they are talking about between 21 and 50, so we are not going to include 21 and nor 50. Okay, so from 7 to 14, if we take the multiple, if we start reading out the multiples of 7, we can clearly see that from 28 till 49, these are the numbers which are coming in the table of 7. Okay, and which belongs in between 21 and 50, right? So how many numbers are there? 28, 35, 42 and 49. Just write it over here: 28, 35, 42 and 49. Okay, so what is the requirement of the question? Find the summation of the multiples of 7 between 21 and 50. We have to take the summation of all these terms, that is 28 plus 35 plus 42 plus 49, the total summation, oh sorry, not 49, again something is going wrong over here. Just a minute please. Just I think there is a correction in this question. They must talk about 49, not 50. Okay, but this is how they have given it, but we will take this here 49, because this is going to be the wrong question then. Okay, as per the given question in your examination, here should be 49, not 50 again, because again this is going to be the wrong, okay, wrong statement. So from 7 to 49, if I consider 40, if I consider, so this is going to be wrong everything over here. Just a minute, sorry for the inconvenience guys. Okay, So they are talking about the numbers between 21 and 49. So we are not going to include the number 21 nor 49. So what are the numbers between 21 and 49? The numbers are 28, 35, 42 and yes, till 42, right? So 49 is not the number that we are going to include over here, nor the 21. So these are the numbers. These are the numbers from 28 to 49. Okay. So here take the summation of all these numbers, that is 28 plus 35 plus 42. Okay, after taking summation I'll get 105. Okay, so now this is the summation, but at the same time they are talking us to divide this particular number by the biggest common factor. Biggest common factor, it means HCF, right? Highest common factor or the biggest common factor of 25 and 30. So let us first find out the HCF of 25 and 30 and then divide this by the particular number. Okay, so here HCF of 25 and 30. Okay, so look here how I'm going to find out the HCF for 25 and 30. Okay, so 5 5s are 25. Okay, and 5 1s are 5, you can write it. Okay, similarly for 30, if I take 2 15s are 30. Okay, similarly 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5, right? So if I see here, the multiples of 25 are 5 into 5, or we can write it as 5 1s are 5. Okay, for here the LCM for 30 it is 2 into 3 into 5. So what are the common multiples in between them? The common multiples are 5 and 5, right? Common multiples are 5 and 5. So this is going to be your HCF. You can find it by this pattern also, or you can simply write it in such a way like how I am writing by the second method. Simply just write 25 and 30 in common. Just find a number so that in that particular number both the numbers should come in that table. Okay, so if I consider 5, in case of 5, 25 comes in the table of 5, 30 also comes in the table of 5. So I can simply take here 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. Now 5 and 6 are the numbers who are not going to come in a common table. Okay, so hence we can conclude that the HCF is going to be directly 5. Now we got the HCF, we got the highest common factor, we got this summation. Simply divide the summation by the highest common factor, that is 5. 105 divided by 5 will give me 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So 21 is the sum of the multiples of 7 between 21 and 49. When I divide it by the highest common factors of 25 and 30, I'll get 21. Okay, very simple question it was, but this can be asked in your examination again. Okay, you just have to understand the difference between and from. Okay, so once again, what does between says? Between, it means basically we are excluding these two numbers, that is 21 and 49. If I say you just take the summation of, let's move on to the next slide to understand it in depth. If I say you to take the summation of sum of, okay, multiple of 2 between 8 and 20. If I say this, what are you going to do? Just look at what they have asked. They have asked us in between. What are the multiples of 2? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. They are talking us about between 8 and 20. It means that we are excluding 8 as well as we are going to exclude the 20. Whatever the left numbers are between the 8 and 20, we are going to simply add it. That is 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. But if I say that from for example 8 to 20, it means I'm going to include here 8 as well as 20 and all the numbers in between them. right? So this is the difference that is going to be playing important factors in solving your questions. Okay, one more question I would like to take here, the students. Find the product of the LCM and HCF of two numbers, that is 25 and 30. Let's find the LCM first. LCM 25 30. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5, 6 as it is. Okay, here 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So if I take the LCM will be equal to 5 into 5 into 2 into 3. This will give me 25 into 6. So 25 into 6 is 150. So LCM will be equal to 150. LCM of 25 and 30 is equal to 150. And right now we have find the HCF of 25 and 30. Once again I would like to find over here 25 and 30. So we have to find a number where in table of whose both the numbers should come, that is 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. Now 5 and 6 are the number who do not come in a common table. So here we can conclude that the HCF will be equal to 5. Okay, so you have to find the they have asked us to find the product, right? This time they have asked us to find the product, and product, it means multiplication operation you have to carry it out. So LCM into HCF will give me, what is the LCM over here, 150, and what is the HCF over here, 5. So 0 as it is, 15 5s are 75. The questions based upon the LCM and HCF. Okay, so yes, this was the end of today's lecture. Thank you for joining it, students. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section whether you're liking the video or not. At the same time, if you're new to the channel, please, I would like to tell you once again, for your CTET December 2023 paper 1 and paper 2 preparation in this crucial time, this course is going to help you a lot to score maximum, okay, and to have guaranteed selection. For the CTET December 2023 examination, paper 1 paper 2 courses have been launched by Global Online application, in which will be provided with the following features: full syllabus video lectures, full syllabus notes, 50 plus mock tests to test your preparation, and full syllabus MCQ PDF in the course fees of 3000 rupees. This is for the paper 1, and for the paper 2 compiled fees. And if you're targeting for the individual paper 1, or for the paper 2, the course fees is going to be 2000 rupees. Okay, just do contact on this given WhatsApp number for the enrollment of course and further more details. Okay, thank you for joining the session, students. I hope you're liking the video. Okay, and let's see in what topic we are going to study in tomorrow's lecture. Most probably we'll study geometry, or we'll start up with the mensuration. Okay, so this is the end of today's lecture. Thank you for joining it. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.